in one of the most unforgiving places on Earth, where temperatures can drop to deadly extremes and the wind never truly stops. Life still finds a way in this frozen world. Survival is not easy, and every day is a challenge. Here, the penguin lives a life that is both beautiful and brutal. While they may look calm and playful, their reality is far more intense than it appears. The land is covered in endless ice, stretching as far as the eye can see. There are no trees, no shelter, and very little protection from the freezing winds that sweep across the landscape. At first glance, penguins seem almost comical. Their waddling walk and clumsy movements on land make them look harmless and relaxed. But this appearance is misleading. Every movement they make is part of a constant struggle to survive in conditions that would be impossible for most animals. Walking on ice is not easy. Penguins carefully shift their weight with each step, trying to maintain balance while conserving energy. To move faster and save energy, they often drop onto their bellies and slide across the ice. This technique, known as tobogganing, allows them to travel efficiently across long distances. Penguins rarely face the cold alone. They gather in large groups, forming tight clusters that help them survive the freezing temperatures. By standing close together, they share body heat. This simple but effective behavior allows them to maintain warmth even in extreme conditions. Penguins constantly rotate positions within the group. Those on the cold outer edge slowly move inward, while others take their place, ensuring that everyone gets a chance to stay warm. This system requires patience and cooperation. It's a powerful example of how survival in nature often depends on working together. But staying warm is only part of the challenge. Penguins must also find food, and that means leaving the safety of the group. They travel long distances across the ice, heading toward the ocean where their next meal awaits. At the edge of the ice, the penguins hesitate. The ocean is both a source of life and a place of danger. Once in the water, everything changes. The penguin transforms from a slow walker into a fast and agile swimmer. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for swimming. They glide effortlessly through the water, using their wings like flippers to move with speed and precision. Penguins hunt for fish, squid, and krill. Every dive is carefully timed, and every movement is focused on catching their next meal. Beneath the surface, the ocean is full of life, but also full of danger. Seals and other predators patrol these waters, waiting for an opportunity. A single mistake can be fatal. Despite the danger, penguins must continue hunting. Without food, they cannot survive, and their families depend on them. After feeding, they return to the ice, often retracing long and difficult journeys back to their colony. Many penguins are devoted parents. They care for their young in the harshest conditions, protecting them from cold and predators. Parents take turns hunting and guarding their chicks, ensuring they receive enough warmth and food to grow. Subscribe to Wild Secrets for more incredible wildlife stories.